Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can give accountant access to your Xero organization. So what you want to do is really simple. Click here and go to the settings and click users. And now you just simply invite the user, and you just add here the first name, last name, the email, and then you're gonna see the business and accounting and projects. You can invite the accountant by just go with the standard or go with the advisor, and this is like advanced accounting features. Or if you want to have your accountant only for invoices, you can do it. So yeah, or read only. So he can only read and nothing else. And this is pretty much it. Now when you add the first name, last name and email, then you just send the invite and you got it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.